Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Wet n Wild Wild Heart palette look to share. This is look number 36. Yes, I can't even remember when I could hold up my fingers and we could count out what look we're on. Yeah, we're too far out from that now. This is a smoky look with a pop of purple, and I'm going to start off the look by using the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Primer to prime my lids, and of course I'm taking the Wet n Wild Wild Heart eyeshadow palette, and the first shade I'm going to be using is in the bottom row, and it is the matte gray. And I love this shade so very much. Not only is it a good transition shade for a smoky eye, but it kind of pulls purple once you start blending it out. This really pretty, like, dusty looking purple, but it's gray. It's really beautiful. So I'm taking that on a blending brush, a fluffy one at that, and I'm holding the brush kind of more out towards the end of the handle for less control to really blend that out. And then the next shade I'm taking is that really dark purple in the bottom row there. And yes, you may hear some noises in the background. We're on summer break and Connor is home and he makes noise. So that is what it is. And on a pencil style brush, I'm going to be patting and really working and building that purple shade up that I picked up. It is like a purple but has like a burgundy tone to it, so a warmer tone. And then I'm taking the matte purple right next to that and placing that kind of on the center of the lid on another blending kind of style brush. It's like a pencil style blending brush. And I'm going to press that in as well, just building that up. And I'm going to be taking the matte white in the palette, which is in the first row. I'm holding the brush in the middle of the brush for more control. If you see me holding the brush towards the end of the handle, that is for loose control. That's for blending. For packing on shades, you want to hold your brush in the middle. And I'm just going to pack this on my lid. And look how pretty that is with no additional secondary base or anything. Like, I'm impressed with that white. Like, this whole palette is super impressive. This is the most used palette on my channel. And I'm going to go through and quickly blend some areas. Just quick like. I love how this look turned out. And I'm taking in the first row the nude shade, so the second shade in the palette is more like a vanilla shade, and I'm going to highlight with that. And I love this. I cannot wait for you guys to see it and share it with you guys. I know a lot of you are probably really going to love this smoky look with the pop of purple, and I can't believe I'm still coming up with looks using this palette, but I feel like it used to be a running thing anyways with the channel that I would love to take a palette and see how many looks I could create with it, and I still do that with other palettes, but this is the most long running one. So I'm taking the shimmery white, which is in the second row, first eyeshadow, and I'm going to take this on a small shader, and I'm using that as my inner corner highlight. Because even though I use the shimmery shade in the outer corner, once all that's blended out and added with the other colors, you can't really tell that it was shimmery. So it adds some more light and shimmer into the look. So I'm tight lining and putting purple eyeliner in my waterline as well. And I'm using the AOA Studio Lash Adhesive and the Ioni Uptown lashes. And they're just really pretty lashes. So I put those on, and I probably should have used a little black eyeliner to cover up the other eyeshadow that was on them, but I was being lazy. This is a She Does Peach Mascara, and I'm doing something here that I normally don't show anymore or do hardly ever, except with a smoky eye, and that's Lower Lash Mascara. This lipstick is from Shein. It's like a shimmery matte lipstick, more matte than shimmery, and I believe it's called Deep Under, something of that nature. It'll be in the description box. That is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, found the video helpful. We'll try the makeup look out for yourselves. Stay tuned for more Wet n Wild Wild Heart eyeshadow looks. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links and a product list. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like these.